I don't even know what happened to him, how they shoot him.
A distraught family now suing the police after their loved one is shot and killed. Why they say everyone must see this surveillance video. And right now a distraught family is planning a lawsuit against Florida City Police after their loved one was shot and killed by officers. They say just released surveillance video tells a very important story. Local 10's Ian Marlowe reports now from Florida City.
This is where the situation all happened. You can still see the bullet holes 5 months later, still there in the front door. Now, new surveillance video has the family asking some serious questions.
Nobody tried to help my son.
He was 13 minutes on the floor until he passed away.
Levi Simon and Yuseline Pierre Simon describing the moments after their son, 23-year-old Juvan Simon, was shot by a Florida City police officer. Levi says Juvan had just left his apartment moments before.
Next 6 minutes, I hear a gunshot.
It happened back in May. According to police, Juvan was armed when he had a confrontation with Detective France Hardy in this Florida City neighborhood. But Juvan's friends say he never had a weapon on him and showed us how he was running to try and get away. At some point during the chase, Hardy ended up firing his service weapon, shooting through a closed door, killing Juvan.
There could have been a child behind that door. There could have been any number of people behind that door. And what happened in May of this year in this city was a homicide.
5 months later, Juvan's family and their attorneys have filed a bill of discovery to force the police department and state attorney's office to give them information about what happened. Information they say has been withheld up to this point. They also have major questions about this surveillance video from across the street that would show the moments leading up to the shooting, but there appear to be skips or possibly even edits in the video that the family finds very concerning.
They deserve to know exactly how the last few minutes of their son's life was lived, and more importantly, how it was taken.
So back when this all happened, police released this picture of these two guns they said were found on or near Juvan. But Juvan's family insists he was not armed at the time. In fact, lawyers are now saying they have heard from multiple witnesses that they saw the detective go back inside the crime scene by himself with a duffel bag and then reemerge with those weapons. They are not outright accusing him of planting evidence at this point. They say they have even more questions about that. In Florida City, Ian Marlowe, Local 10 News.